Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox and do a demo sound test of Philips Heartbeat 5.1 channel multimedia speaker. So let's open the box and see the contents.
Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates.
Okay, before opening the box, let me show you all the sides. The speaker costs me 2,900 rupees. The speaker has 28 watt output and it supports 5.1 Dolby digital sound system. Right now I am going to open the box. The packaging is quite good. Oh. So here are the satellite speakers. There are 5 satellite speakers, one for center, 2 for rear left and right, and 2 for front left and right. Here is the warranty card and the remote, and the connector cable is provided. But with this cable I won't be able to connect the speaker with a computer. I can connect the speaker with this cable with a set-top box or CD or DVD player. So to connect the speaker with a computer I have to buy separately RCA cable. You can get it in your local store for 40 to 50 rupees. Don't buy it from Amazon. Its price is over 150 rupees in Amazon. So let me put these satellite speakers aside and then I will take out the subwoofer. This is the subwoofer. Its size is not that big. It's a pretty small subwoofer. So I hope its power won't be so deep like Logitech subwoofers. Let's see how it works. So this is the front view of the subwoofer. Here is a USB port and some volume control buttons. Let's take a look at the back side. Here are the input ports. There are several port options for TV, CD and DVD, and at the bottom there is 5.1 output channels. If you want to experience 5.1 surround sound system with a computer, your computer should have a separate sound card and you have to buy 3 RCA cables and connect them to those yellow port at the bottom of the subwoofer. And with your sound card there will be 5 ports, and with the manual you will find 3 ports to which you have to connect the other ends of the RCA cables. So these are the satellite speakers. This one is for front left, front right, this one is for center, this one is for side right and side left. I don't understand why it says side right, side right. It should be rear right and rear left, and you can put them in the wall. And for the front speakers and center speaker, the cable length is not that big, but for the rear speaker the cable lengths are pretty big. This is the remote. With it you can select the source, CD, TV or DVD. You can even control the bass and volume. This is the RCA cable that you have to buy if you want to connect the speaker with a mobile or with your computer. And if you have a separate sound card, you can buy 3 RCA cables like this one and connect them with your sound card to experience 5.1 surround sound system. Also, you can convert the speaker into a Bluetooth speaker with the help of a Bluetooth audio receiver. I have purchased this receiver for 100 rupees. I will make another video and I will show you how to connect the audio receiver. Now let's do the sound test. Friends, I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe to my channel for future updates. Have a great day.